If Pixlr is failing to open your file, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing without the frustration. These are simple browser-side solutions that solve most Pixlr loading and file opening problems. And they work whether you're opening an image, a project file, or a font file. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy guides. Let's jump right in. First, let's do a hard refresh. Sometimes Pixlr gets stuck because the page is holding onto old cached data and a normal refresh is not enough. On your keyboard, hold Ctrl and press F5 at the same time. This forces your browser to reload the page completely instead of using saved cached files. It's a small step, but it can instantly fix loading issues, frozen screens, and files that refuse to open properly. Next, check the file extension. Pixlr only works properly with supported file types, so make sure the file you're trying to open ends in .png, .jpg, or .pxz. If you're trying to use custom fonts, those should be .ttf or .otf files. One very common mistake is trying to upload a .zip file directly. Pixlr cannot open compressed archives, so if your file is zipped, you need to extract it first and then upload the actual image or project file inside. If that still doesn't solve it, clear your browser data. Over time, your browser can build up cached files that interfere with web apps like Pixlr. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together. This opens your browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. Make sure you select Cached Images and Files, then click Clear Data. After that, reload Pixlr and try opening your file again. This often fixes corrupted cache issues that prevent files from loading correctly. Now let's check your browser extensions. Ad blockers and privacy tools can sometimes block Pixlr scripts from loading, which causes files to fail when opening. Open your extension settings and temporarily turn off AdBlock, uBlock Origin, or any similar blocker you have installed. Pixlr depends on certain scripts to function properly, and aggressive blockers can break that process. After disabling them, refresh Pixlr and test the file again. If it works, you've found the conflict. Another fix that works surprisingly well is toggling hardware acceleration. Go into your browser settings and search for hardware acceleration. If it's turned off, switch it on. If it's already on, switch it off instead. Then, relaunch your browser completely. Hardware acceleration can affect how web apps handle image processing, and sometimes flipping this setting resets the rendering issue that's preventing Pixlr from opening files. Finally, if your file is very large, convert it to a smaller size before uploading. If the image is over 50 megabytes, use a compressed JPG version instead. High-resolution photos can consume a lot of browser memory, and that can cause Pixlr to crash or fail while opening the file. Reducing file size is one of the best ways to prevent memory allocation problems and make the editor much more stable. So to quickly recap, if Pixlr failed to open your file, try a hard refresh, check the file extension, clear browser data, disable ad blockers, toggle hardware acceleration, and convert large files to a compressed format. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem right away. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.